This is NOAA Weather Radio KEC 78, serving the Wasatch Front and surrounding areas. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the two parts of Utah and southwest Wyoming. For today and tonight, severe thunderstorms are impacting all of Utah. The severe thunderstorm will have strong winds, large hail, and tornadoes. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch Number 1, effective till 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Utah. All of Utah. That was the Tornado Watch. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for all of Utah till 4:15 p.m. MDT. At 3:06 p.m. MDT, a severe thunderstorm is about to impact the whole state. Locations and info will be found at weather.gov.
Tornado emergency for the whole state of Utah. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Utah till 8 p.m. MDT. At 5 p.m. MDT, a biggest and killer tornado is on the ground. Tornado emergency for the whole state of Utah. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Locations, instructions, and info will be found at weather.gov.